Hi guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel Bourbon Creek Crafts. Today I am sharing with you my project share for the Joy of Blue collaboration, and this is the collaboration hosted by Sarah at Crafting and Relaxing, and it's just to promote using blue in your crafts, and it can be any type of craft. So today I chose to do a scrapbook page layout. Actually, it's a double page layout. And I'm trying to prevent the glare on the photo, so kind of holding it up here as long as I can. But this was an outfit that both of my girls wore in the fall of their first year, and it was actually a little Winnie the Pooh outfit. You don't see Winnie anywhere because it was on the little short sleeve shirt, but it had this cute little white shirt with a purple and blue plaid collar and purple and blue plaid pants, and then this little blue sweater. So it was great for fall. And so I wanted to do a layout that kind of showed them both wearing the outfit pretty much at the same age. That was one of the benefits of having both of my girls in the winter. They were mostly in the same clothes at that same period as they grew up. So I picked a blue kind of blue background paper with some multicolored floral images in it, and then this white with blue polka dot paper. I don't know if that comes through like this up here at the top. And so then I kind of brought in some like blues, purples, and then I also pulled out some of the peach from the paper as well, just to kind of throw in an accent color. So, and for my title, I did Who Wears It Better? If you ever read People magazine, my oldest loves People magazine, and there's always a section in there, who wore it better, you know, the celebrities that wore the same dress, you know, at different times over the years. So I went with that as my title, but honestly, I think they were both stinking cute. They both wore it great. They were both too cute in them. So, but I built some little flowers. I had some blue kind of gingham paper that kind of worked well with this background color as well. So I brought it in just to kind of add in a different texture there, and then some purple, and then some of the polka dot from up here. I just kind of created some layers and then brought in just some purple flowers up here. And then some peach enamel dots were just the peach accent. So it's pretty much one of those very equal, very balanced two-page layouts. I didn't do a whole lot of, you know, odd numbers on this one, just because I kind of wanted it to flow across and, you know, for each girl to be equal essentially. So, but I think this is a super cute layout, and I do have to make another one because they each have their own album, and I want them both to have this little cute little comparison. But this was Ellie and this was Avery. And like I said, they were pretty close to the same age. Avery was in her 10th month. Ellie was at the end of her 9th month. But still, like, they're both in the same spot on their bedroom floor too. I think I just took the pictures at different angles. But so anyway, that is my project for the Joy of Blue. There is a list of participants included in the description area below this video, so please check out all of the other projects that they have created. It could be, like I said, any type of craft project as long as it includes the color blue. But I thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.